All right, boys, for those of you that don't know, my name is Dave, aka DEESYPRod, and today we're going to be going over everything that's in the Salty Captain car detailing kit. I'm going to let you know exactly how I honestly feel about this. You know, a company really cares about their product and their customers when they have a fragile sticker on their boxes. So when this came to my door, I was pretty happy, but I was even happier when I opened it up and saw everything that this came with. This right here is the Salty Captain musket that you're going to be using in this kit, and I'll demonstrate it a little bit later in the video. Right here is an overall look of everything you're going to be getting. Nothing's worse than getting less than what you expected online, and from the looks of it, they over-delivered here. But nonetheless, let's get these cars cleaned up. And as you guys can tell, there's a little bit of dirt and grime on the wheels. Pretty gross. So we're going to be using the grease attack for that. There's many different purposes for this, but these wheels definitely need this. They have seen better days. Thankfully, it comes with a scrub brush so you can really get in there. Lifting the dirt right off. Look at that. Needs a quick rinse down, she's good to go. As you can tell, I don't think the GTO has ever had tire shine. We're gonna change that now. So this is after drying. Always make sure the tire's dry before you apply the tire shine onto it. This is the little sponge applicator that comes in this package. You don't have to use too much, just make sure you're covering the whole tire. Oh my God, that already looks 10 times better. I might throw these things on Marketplace and tell them they're brand new. Shit. Look how disgusting this windshield is. The rags actually come color-coded for what you use them for, which is pretty cool. For those that follow me, you know I'm pretty straight up with things. So far, this is looking pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Crazy. And next up, we're going to be using this interior cleaner because I was looking at the GTO and yeah, this was kind of like my work truck for a little bit. It got real dirty. You can either spray this right onto the microfiber or you can spray it right onto the surface. Doesn't really matter. Spent less than 10 seconds wiping this down. It already looks brand new. Even though the GTO has kind of been the star of the show on my pages over the last couple months, I've been driving my Honda a little bit more, so I figured why not give it some love? I know they say you can't polish a turd, but you can definitely try. With that being said, we're gonna blast some of the car wash solution from Salty Captain on this and see how well it cleans up.
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some.
And as you guys can tell, this thing cleaned up pretty damn good for what it is. It's got tons of battle scars on her, but I'm extremely happy with how it came out. And I actually might start washing this thing more often. This kind of makes me want to take care of it a little bit more. Next up is going to be the drip dry solution. We used my dad's Silverado because I wanted to see how well it worked on black paint. Just a quick tip, make sure you apply this in a shaded area. Bruh. This truck got washed the day before, but it had a little bit of water spots, as you can see, so this was the best opportunity to really try this out. And here's one last demonstration of how quick you can switch to the rinse mode on this thing. Every car guy needs this in their life, trust me. I'll tell you guys right now, this is not your standard run-of-the-mill parts store detailing product. I searched around online, came across this company. They're killing it, so definitely give them a shot.